Welcome, dear students, to the Saint Xavier School, Botath. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 3, Games and Exercise. The next point is Sports and Martial Arts. So we will see. Now, students, our next point, that is Sports and Martial Arts. Games which involve competition between players and are watched by many spectators are called sports. Spectators means जो भी देखने वाले होते हैं, दर्शक. ओके, सो जिस गेम में कंपटीशन होती है बिटवीन द प्लेयर्स और बहुत सारे देखने वाले होते हैं, दैट इज known as sports. You can watch almost all sports live. Many of you must be fond of watching live telecast of cricket and football matches. Yes or no? Do you like to watch cricket? Some sports bring a lot of excitement in our life. They need proper training. They are very risky. They are called exotic sports. Exotic sports means वो sports जिसमें बहुत ही excitement होता है लेकिन उसके लिए ट्रेनिंग भी चाहिए और बहुत ही रिस्की होता है. So these types of games are hang gliding, surfing, rafting, Formula 1 race, etc. I will show you the picture of these games afterwards. Okay, at last are some examples of exotic sports. Skydiving is the exotic sport of jumping from an aeroplane with a parachute and performing feats before opening it. Feats means something you do that shows great strength. Okay, feats means ऐसा कुछ करना जिसमें हमारी strength दिखे. Okay, it is a team event. Divers even hold hands while falling free. Divers means जो performance करता है. Okay, the term martial art means art of weaponless self defense. वेपन मीन्स कोई भी साधन, डिवाइस. ओके, वेपन के बिना सेल्फ डिफेंस करना. दिस आर्ट इज नोन एज मार्शल आर्ट, यूजुअली प्रैक्टिस्ड एज अ स्पोर्ट. यू कैन सी मार्शल आर्ट बीइंग प्रैक्टिस्ड ड्यूरिंग फेस्टिवल्स एंड लोकल फेस्ट. Martial arts include local games such as Malla Yuddha, a form of wrestling, Kalari Payattu Kuttu Varaisai, empty hand combat, Varma Kalari, the art of vital point, and Adithada, hit and block, Lathi, hit with a stick, etc. are very popular in a country like India. These martial arts require great discipline and practice. One has to learn them from a guru or master. See, these are the some name of martial arts games. I will show you picture and I will explain you through it. Okay, students, can you see the picture of hang gliding? See, it is made up of aluminium. Hang gliding is an air sport or recreational activity in which pilots flies a light non-motorized foot launch heavier than aircraft called hang glider. Okay, these are the pictures of hang glider. Now this is surfing. Surfing is a surface water sports in which an individual, a surfer, uses a board to ride on the forward section or face or moving wave of water. Just moving on the wave of water, that is known as surfing. Okay, which is usually carries the surface toward the shore. Okay, now next is rafting. Rafting and whitewater rafting are the recreational outdoor activities which use an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other body of the water. This is often done on whitewater or different degrees of rough water. Dealing with risk is often a part of the experience. देखिए ये students, can you see this is the raft, how they are doing? This is where it is very risky. Now this is the example of Formula 1 car race. Can you see the sports car? Okay, now Formula 1 World Championship is there, and that FIA Formula 1 World Championship was the motor racing. Okay, it's very risky. As you can see, motor racing championship for Formula 1 cars, which was the 71st running of the Formula 1 World Championship. It marked the 70th anniversary of the first Formula One World Drivers' Championship. Okay, in this they are driving the sports car. Okay, now this is the picture of parachuting. Parachuting, including also skydiving, is a method of transiting from a high point in the atmosphere to the surface of Earth with the aid of gravity, involving the control of speed during the descent using parachute. Okay, इसमें क्या करते हैं? They are diving from the sky. Okay, with the help of parachute, and they show many movements. This is the example of, or the picture of, Malla Youth. Okay, a form of wrestling. Now next is Kalari Payattu Kuttu Varayasi. Okay, this is the one of the martial art in this empty hand combat. Okay, now next, these are the some picture of martial arts. There are different types of martial arts, okay, at different regions. See, there are more than 170 martial arts. You will have to heard of some such: karate, jiu-jitsu, taekwondo. Okay, see, martial art. Thank you.